Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to find router IP address into your Windows in a very simple way. You just simply come over into your search option, and from here you just need to search for CMD, and then here you'll get an option called run as administrator. So if you click on that, then click yes for the permission, and then here you just need to type ipconfig. After that, you can see there will be to option called unknown adapter local area connection or Ethernet adapter internet. Ethernet adapter Ethernet. So my computer has no wireless connection. That's why I don't have that wireless connection IP address, but I have connecting my Ethernet over here. That's why you can see the default gateway is 192.168.0.1 over here. So you can see this is how you can find your router IP address in Windows. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another videos. Till then, goodbye.